Our chef's knives are built for people who want one thing, something they can count on. And not just when it's brand new, but 5 years down the track when it's been through 1,000 meals and still slices like it means it. It took 4 years to get our chef's knives right, to make sure the steel keeps its edge, that it doesn't rust when you cut a lemon or forget to dry it. We had to trust it in our own hands first before putting it in yours. We use full tang construction only because that's how proper knives are made, where the steel runs through the handle and not just glued in like some cheap afterthought. It gives strength, balance, and that unmistakable feel of something built right, something you feel the second it hits the board. The steels? Imported AUS 10 and VG 10 because it's proven. It stays sharp, resists rust, and it doesn't leach junk into your food. We've tested it, we've used it, and we're actually still using our first prototypes years later because it does exactly what we need it to, day after day. As for the handles, nothing imitated, no plastic, and nothing flimsy. Just real hardwoods, brass, carbon fiber, and G10. Because if you're using a knife for years, it should feel like it was made for your hand and not made for mass production. Now, we're not here to sell you a full knife set with a bunch of extras you'll never use. We're here to hand you that one knife that'll outlast your cheap ones, outperform your fancy ones, and become the one you reach for every time. And if you're the kind of person who notices when something's built properly, you'll get it as soon as you hold it. Well, let's eat.